In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use DeepSeek AI inside n8n to enhance your workflow automation capabilities seamlessly. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a new level of expertise in integrating AI capabilities with your processes, making your tasks smarter and more efficient. Let's get started by creating a new workflow in n8n. This is the foundation of automating processes and will allow us to orchestrate various tasks and actions automatically. When you log into n8n, navigate to the main dashboard. You should see an option to Create Workflow. Click on this and it'll open a blank canvas where you can start piecing together different functionalities via nodes. Now that we have a new workflow set up, the next step is to add an OpenAI chat model node. This node will serve as our interface to interact with DeepSeek AI via the OpenAI protocols. On the left-hand side of your screen, there's a Nodes panel. Simply find and drag the OpenAI chat model node onto your workflow canvas. This node is fundamental as it will allow us to access cutting-edge AI capabilities, giving you the creative power to process natural language data effectively. Next, it's crucial to set up the correct credentials so that n8n can securely communicate with DeepSeek AI. Start by creating new OpenAI credentials specific to your setup. Look for the Credentials panel, usually somewhere in your Settings or Node Configuration area, and create a new entry for OpenAI. This is an essential step to ensure that your workflow will function correctly with access permissions properly set up. Once you're in the Credentials section, you'll need to configure a couple of key settings. First, enter your DeepSeek API key in the API key field. This unique string of characters ensures that any request you make to DeepSeek AI is authenticated and authorized. When handling API keys, always ensure they are stored securely to prevent any unauthorized access or usage. Another critical configuration to make is with the base URL. Enter https://api.deepseek.com into this field. This URL points your request to the correct endpoint of DeepSeek's API services, ensuring that your workflows interact with the right systems for data processing and AI operations. Once these are set, you can confidently leave the rest of the settings to their defaults, unless you have specific requirements to configure additional parameters. And there you have it. With your new workflow, an OpenAI chat model node set up, and your credentials configured, you're now ready to leverage DeepSeek AI within n8n efficiently. You have just unlocked an array of AI-assisted functionalities that can transform how you approach tasks and automate processes. Remember, experimentation and practice are key, so don't hesitate to explore further and customize your workflows to suit your unique needs. Thanks for watching, and happy automating with n8n and DeepSeek AI.